Xiaomi's flagship devices, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, model number 24030PN60G, and the suspected Xiaomi Civi 4, model number 24031PN0DC, have recently attained a significant milestone, as per the latest announcement from the German Rheinland official sources. They have both secured the highly sought-after flicker-free certification. This is a prestigious recognition in the world of display technologies. The flicker-free certification is not just a badge of honor, but a testament to the advanced display technologies incorporated in these smartphones. It signifies that these devices are designed and developed to effectively mitigate visual fatigue for users. In our current digital age, where screens dominate our work and leisure, this feature is of paramount importance. Extended exposure to screens without proper precautions can lead to eye strain and discomfort, affecting overall well-being. This certification, therefore, serves as an assurance to users worldwide. It assures that the screens on Xiaomi's devices, including the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Xiaomi Civi 4, comply with the most stringent standards set by the industry. These standards are not easy to meet, and achieving them guarantees a seamless and flicker-free viewing experience for the users. By significantly reducing screen flickering, these smartphones aim to lessen the strain on users' eyes. Flicker-free display phones offer a range of benefits, including reduced eye strain, improved comfort, enhanced productivity, better eye health, optimal viewing experiences, and compatibility with various activities. This feature contributes to a more enjoyable and healthier user experience, making flicker-free displays a valuable feature in modern smartphones. This thoughtful feature ensures a more comfortable and enjoyable interaction with the device, enhancing the overall user experience. Whether you're scrolling through social media, catching up on the latest news, or watching your favorite show, these devices make sure your eyes don't bear the brunt of prolonged screen exposure. Moreover, this optimization is not just about user comfort. In conclusion, Xiaomi's achievement in securing the flicker-free certification for its flagship devices is a significant step forward. It not only underscores the company's commitment to user comfort and well-being, but also positions Xiaomi as a leader in employing advanced display technologies. As we continue to navigate our screen-centric world, such developments are not just interesting but also crucial in shaping a healthier and more comfortable digital experience. Join the conversation in the comments section below. Let us know how much time you spent in front of your device. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.